How to delete Snapchat group. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about whether it is possible to delete a Snapchat group or not. So now let's get started. So first of all, you need to have the Snapchat application installed in your device and you need to have it in the latest version. You also need to log into your account. So leaving a Snapchat group is super easy and a great way to manage your chat feed. To remove yourself and clear the group from your chat screen, simply go ahead and open Snapchat and navigate to the chat screen or open the group. And once you're over there, tap on the name icon in the top of the screen. Then simply go ahead and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Now go ahead and tap on leave group. Tap on leave again to confirm. And once you exit, the chat will automatically disappear from your conversation feed. As an added perk, any snaps and chats you've sent within the group will disappear, even if they were saved by other members. So if you're looking to further declutter your chat screen, you also have the option to clear the group from the feed after you've left. This is a simple and effective way to stay organized and in control of your Snapchat experience. If you're still seeing the group in your chat feed, you can go ahead, tap and hold on to the conversation, then tap on chat and notification settings and tap on clear from chat feed and you'll be able to do it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.